Hello students, you will be writing your social unit test 1 on 21st, right? Hope you are all preparing well for the unit test 1. Now we will revise for our unit test 1. This is your question paper pattern. Overall, you will be writing your unit test 1 for 25 marks. Roman letter 1, choose the correct answer. You will get 5 questions. In that, each question carries 1 mark. So totally 5 marks for choose the correct answer. First, you have to read the question carefully. Then, you have to write the question number 1 and then write the correct option. If B is correct, then write option B and write the correct answer. Likewise, you have to answer all the 5 questions. Roman letter 2, fill in the blanks. Here also you will get 5 questions. In that, each question carries 1 mark. So totally 5 marks for fill in the blanks. Roman letter 3, answer the following questions briefly. Here you will get 5 questions. In that, each question carries 2 marks. So totally 10 marks for short answer questions. Roman letter 4, answer the following questions in detail. Here you will get 2 questions. In that, each question carries 2.5 marks. So totally 5 marks for detailed answers. Now we are going to revise the first unit in history, which is Advent of the Europeans. Now let's see the gist of the lesson. Many foreigners, traders, missionaries and civil servants who came to India in the 18th and 19th centuries have left account of their experiences and their valuable informations. Next we have sources of modern India. Kinds of sources. There are 2 kinds of sources. The first one is written sources and the second one is material sources. In written sources, we have literature, autobiographies, etc. In material sources, we have paintings, statues, etc. Advent of the Europeans, Portugal. Under Portugal, we have Prince Henry of Portugal, Bartholomew Dias, Vasco da Gama, Francisco de Almeida, Alfonso de Albuquerque, then Nino de Cunha. Then we have the Dutch in Tamilnadu, the British, Danish, and finally we have the French. Pondicherry became the most important and prosperous French settlement in India. Now we are going to revise the book back questions with answers. Roman letter 1, choose the correct answer. Question number 1, who led the foundation of Portuguese power in India? Option A, Vasco da Gama. Option B, Bartholomew Dias. Option C, Alfonso de Albuquerque. Option D, Almeida. So the answer is option C, Alfonso de Albuquerque. Question number 2, which of the following European nation was the foremost attempt to discover a sea route to India? Option A, Dutch. Option B, Portugal. Option C, France. Option D, Britain. So the answer is option B, Portugal. Question number 3, in 1453, Constantinople was captured by dash. Option A, the French. Option B, the Turks. Option C, the Dutch. Option D, the British. So the answer is option B, the Turks. Question number 4, Sir William Hawkins belonged to dash. Option A, Portugal. Option B, Spain. Option C, England. Option D, France. So the answer is option C, England. Question number 5. The first fort constructed by the British in India was dash. Option A, Fort Saint William. Option B, Fort Saint George. Option C, Agra Fort. Option D, Fort Saint David. So the answer is option B, Fort Saint George. Question number 6. Who among the following Europeans were the last to come India as traders? Option A, the British. Option B, the French. Option C, the Danish. Option D, the Portuguese. So the answer is option B, the French. Question number 7. Tranqueber on the Tamilnadu coast was a trade center of the dash. Option A, the Portuguese. Option B, the British. Option C, the French. Option D, the Danish. So the answer is option D, the Danish. Roman letter 2, fill in the blanks. Question number 1. National Archives of India (NAI) is located in dash. So the answer is New Delhi. Question number 2. Bartholomew Dias, a Portuguese sailor, was patronized by dash. So the answer is King John II. Question number 3. The printing press in India was set up by dash at Goa in 1556. So the answer is Portuguese. Question number 4. The Mughal Emperor dash permitted the English to trade in India. Answer is Jahangir. Question number 5. The French East India Company was formed by dash. Answer is Colbert. Question number 6. Dash, the King of Denmark, issued a charter to create Danish East India Company. So the answer is Christian IV. Roman letter 3. Answer the following in 1 or 2 sentences. Question number 1. Give a short note on archives. Question number 2. Write about the importance of coins. Question number 3. Why Prince Henry is called Henry the Navigator? Question number 4. Name the important factories established by the Dutch in India. Question number 5. Mention the trading centers of the English in India. Roman letter 4. Answer the following in detail. Question number 1. Give an account of the sources of modern India. Question number 2. How did the Portuguese establish their trading centers in India? Question number 3. How did the British establish their trading centers in India? So I hope you are all having PDF notes. In that you can read short answers and detailed answers as well. Next, we are going to revise the first unit in geography, which is rocks and soils. Now, let's see the gist of the lesson. Rocks are the solid mineral materials. Solid means hard mineral materials. Classification of rocks. Under this, we have igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic rocks. The first one is igneous rocks. Under this, we have characteristics of igneous rocks, types of igneous rocks. The second one is sedimentary rocks. Under this, we have characteristics of sedimentary rocks, formation of sedimentary rocks, and types of sedimentary rocks. The third one is metamorphic rocks. Under this, we have formation of metamorphic rocks from igneous rocks, formation of metamorphic rocks from sedimentary rocks, and finally characteristics of metamorphic rocks. Rock cycle. uses of rocks, soil and its formation, soil composition, soil profile, layers of soil, classification of soils. Under this we have alluvial soil, black soil, red soil, laterite soil, mountain soil, desert soil, soil erosion, soil conservation, and finally we have uses of soils. Now we are going to revise the book back questions with answers. Roman letter 1. Choose the correct answer. Question number 1. Which of the following is known as sphere of rocks? Option A. Atmosphere, B. Biosphere, C. Lithosphere, D. Hydrosphere. So the answer is option C. Lithosphere. Question number 2. World Soil Day is observed on option A. 15th August, B. 12th January, C. 15th October, D. 5th December. So the answer is option D. 5th December. Question number 3. Fossils are found in option A. Sedimentary rocks, option B. Igneous rocks, option C. Metamorphic rocks, option D. Plutonic rocks. So the answer is option A. Sedimentary rocks. Question number 4. The first layer of soil is called as option A. Regur, option B. Regolith, option C. Unweathered rocks, option D. Partially weathered rock. So the answer is horizon. Question number 5. Ideal soil for growing cotton is option A. Red soil, B. Black soil, C. Alluvial soil, D. Mountain soil. So the answer is option B. Black soil. Question number 6. The major component of soil is option A. Rocks, B. Gas, C. Water, and D. Minerals. So the answer is option D. Minerals. Question number 7. Which one of the following is the most widespread, most unprotective category of soil? Option A. Alluvial soil, option B. Black soil, option C. Red soil, option D. Mountain soil. So the answer is option A. Alluvial soil. Letter 2. Fill in the blanks. Question number 1. Scientific study of rocks is called dash. So the answer is petrology. Question number 2. Dash soil is highly suitable for cotton cultivation. So the answer is black. Question number 3. The skin of earth is dash. Answer is soil. Question number 4. Dash is the kind of metamorphic rock using which Taj Mahal was built. Answer, white marble. Question number 5. Dash is known as the primary rocks. Answer is igneous rocks. Roman letter 3. Distinguish the following. Question number 1. Metamorphic rock and sedimentary rock. Question number 2. Soil conservation and soil erosion. Roman letter 4. Answer briefly. Question number 1. How are igneous rocks formed? Question number 2. Describe about the composition of soil. Question number 3. Define rock. Question number 4. State the types of soils. Question number 5. What is soil conservation? Roman letter 5. Answer in a paragraph. Question number 1. Explain the process of soil formation. Question number 2. Classify and explain the rocks. Question number 3. Give an account on different layers of soil. Question number 4. Classify and explain the soil. So I hope you are all having PDF notes. In that you can read short answers and detailed answers as well. Students, first you have to go through the lesson carefully. Some 1 mark questions will be asked from inside the lesson. Students, prepare well for your exams. So now, we have reached the end of this session. Thank you.